Hello, welcome to A1vacsales.com. I'm Matt,
I'm Jimmy.
and we are the owner-operators of A1 Vacuum in the Highlands. And we're easy to find. We're in the Highlands, a block south of Eastern Parkway, right across from Mark's Feed Store. But as we all know, what about parking?
Parking, we have a lot of it, and it's easy access and it's free. We have street parking. We have a huge easy access parking lot that we share with the chiropractor, and then we have also parking in the back.
All right, so about my repair. I've got a broken vacuum. Do I need an appointment?
No appointments needed. You just need to bring it in during our store hours, which is Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 5:30, Saturdays, 9:30 to 3:30.
So, question: how do I know it's worth fixing? How do I know I should get it fixed instead of just replacing it?
Well, majority of our estimates are free, so it's a no-brainer to at least bring it in. I can't tell you how many times where it's a very, very simple reset button, a broken belt, or a clog, when the customer was thinking that it could be over $100. So you just never know what it's going to be. So if there's a free estimate right there, you might as well take it. And if it's not worth fixing, we're going to help guide you into a new vacuum cleaner.
And I know a lot of customers have pets, kids. You know, they need their vacuums back. How long does the process take?
Yeah, we try to get them back very quickly for you. So we run 3 to 5 business days. The only time that we get beyond that is if we do need to order a part in for you that we are actually repairing. But if it's service, 3 to 5 days is our pretty good average.
All right, and then as far as vacuums you work on, you fix my robot, fix my shampooer too?
Yeah, we work on almost everything. So all vacuum cleaners we can service, robot shampooers, cordless vacuums with batteries, you name it, we can fix it. When it comes to deposits, we will take a deposit on all battery vacuums, robots, and shampooers, and we get to put that towards the repair when we call you with the real estimate. And then if you choose not to fix it, we'll put that towards a new vacuum cleaner as well. So you're not really stuck without that $30. You can at least put it towards a new vacuum cleaner, and if you don't need it right away, it will sit on your account until you're ready for that new purchase.
All right, and then as far as, you know, I know we know you do repair, and then also services. Services are pretty important. They should be done, you know, probably once a year for most vacuums.
Mm-hmm.
What am I looking at if I just need like a clean, simple service or complete service?
Yeah, our full services, which is going to make your vacuum running like new again, usually starts at $49.95.
All right. That's our most common questions, you know, about our vacuum cleaner service and repair part of our business. If we miss something and you have a question, please give us a call. Of course, phone number is 502-451-4515. Thank you.
Thank you.